Hi, I'm John Goldbranson, and let's talk Lou Rich. Hi, John at Lou Rich here. We're back in the paint line. I think the majority of people have seen our powder coat and our wet coat videos. So you probably have a burning question of, hey, how do you prepare your parts for paint? Well, a good paint job always depends on the prep work. So here we go. This is an 8-station wash line. Why 8 stations? We run aluminum, we run steel, we run iron, we run plastic. Not all these stations are on at the same time. Like the first station. This is our laser etch. This takes the laser scale off of our steel parts so the paint will adhere to it better. Now you have that on there. You got to get rid of that. You go to stage 2, which is a water rinse. Now these are overflows from our 3, 5, and 7 rinse tanks. So we're reusing water. Stage 3 is another rinse. Reusing waters from 5 and 7. Again, reusing the water so we're not using a lot of resources here. Stage 4, which is a cleaner, degreaser, rust inhibitor. Stage 5 is another water rinse, overflow from stage 7. Duratec, another one. This is a pre-treatment and a rust inhibitor. Stage 7, another rinse tank. So it's getting rid of any trace amounts from the last station. Now we're going on to the last station, stage 8. Stage 8 is a paint enhancer, adhesion enhancer, and rust inhibitor. After that, it goes to the paint line.